In healthcare, maintaining pristine air quality is vital for patient safety. The Wi-Fi Air Quality Analyzer for Hospitals is an innovative tool designed to ensure that the air within medical facilities is clean and free from harmful contaminants. This analyzer employs advanced sensors to monitor particulate matter, PM2.5 and PM10, volatile organic compounds, VOCs, and other pollutants that can compromise patient health. By keeping a close watch on these elements, it helps prevent the spread of airborne infections, creating a safer environment for patients and staff. The integration of Wi-Fi technology allows for real-time monitoring and immediate notification of any air quality issues. Hospital personnel can access current air quality data and receive alerts on their devices, enabling swift action to address potential threats. This proactive approach is crucial in healthcare settings, where the air patients breathe can significantly impact their recovery. The Wi-Fi Air Quality Analyzer is not just a monitoring device, it's a commitment to patient safety. It ensures that hospitals can maintain optimal air quality, reducing the risk of respiratory issues and infections among patients, especially those with compromised immune systems. For healthcare facilities aiming to prioritize patient well-being through superior air quality management, the Wi-Fi Air Quality Analyzer is an essential investment. It represents a step forward in creating healthier, safer hospital environments. To learn more about how this analyzer can benefit your healthcare facility, please reach out to me through the email on my page. I will be delighted to provide additional information and respond to your inquiry promptly within 24 hours.